advance the timing a little, because I always time them by ear, not by the light. So by the light, it pops. They're cranking about me getting over in there. Okay then, I think I fixed my running issue. I went down the right side of the engine pulling the plug wires off until I found one that would make it stop popping. But also, that was the number 6. But also, it would also not affect the running of the engine. And what I mean by that is generally when you pull off a plug wire, the engine will go from running smoothly to go to missing one. So it'll be like da to da, like every time it goes around it misses that one. So I thought, okay, what if the wire that should be connected somewhere else is connected to this? And so I went down the other side, pulling the wire off one at a time. And when I got to the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same thing, I pulled the wire off and it wouldn't change the idling of the car. So what's happened is when I wired this, I somehow managed to get the wires set to the wrong places for the number 5 and the number 6. And all of this time, it sounded like it run pretty good, but it's only been running, what's been running with the wires messed up. Now that the wires are right, it does sound even better. And it's not popping anymore. I believe that's about as good as it ever could be. And it's also, I unadvanced the timing, because a while ago I was advancing the timing to get it to run right. And based on where this thing was before, it's just about in the right place for that to be, what am I trying to say? The timing is timed very close to what it would be, probably almost exactly to what it would be if it was set on the timing light. So I think we've cured a problem we were having right there. It is still smoking a little bit, and I'm guessing, I'm not sure why. That could be because the number 7 hasn't been burning, and it could be that there's just got a buildup of oil and or unburnt gas or something in that cylinder. So I'll let it just run a while. Guessing this stuff is sea foam that's come out of it there. Oh, that wind feels good. Lord D mercy. Just gonna sit down here in the driveway. Let that wind blow me. Blow me cool. Blow me good. Blow me cool. But it'd be fun to take you for a ride now that I got that squared away. Oh, let your shit go good. It's actually idling just right now. That smoke is dying down over here.